Hi, welcome back friends. Welcome back to Excel tips and tutorials. So in our previous videos we have seen how to create a new worksheet on Excel document. So these are the worksheets in this document. Like we have worksheets named Asia, Europe and Africa. We have three worksheets in this Excel sheet. So we will learn how to delete any worksheet that is present in an Excel document. So let's see how we can do it. This is a basic thing. It's not a huge task. It can be done within a couple of clicks. So for example, right now we are having three sheets: Asia, Europe and Africa, and three of these sheets have different data. So I can assume that I want to remove the sheet, I want to delete the sheet named Africa from this list. So what I have to do is I have to just place my mouse on this sheet, on the tab of this sheet Africa, then click on the right button. So you'll see a lot of options here. Insert, delete, rename. Just click on delete and your worksheet will be deleted from this document. So I'm clicking on delete. Yeah, Excel will ask for the confirmation. Do you want to continue? Yes, delete. Yeah, that's it. Africa has been removed from our document. The worksheet named Africa has been removed from our document. Okay, so I will show you one second. Let's see. Here we'll take the case of Europe. Click on right click on this tab, go to delete, click on delete, delete it. Yeah, that's it. So now we have two worksheets removed from this document, and we now have only one worksheet named Asia. So that's it. So we have done our job. So that's it, how we can delete a worksheet from a document. This is a simple thing. I'm sure that uh, you might have enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, just click on the like button and share it with your friends. And if you are coming to this channel for the first time, please subscribe my channel by clicking on the subscribe button below the video. And while clicking on the subscribe button, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you get further notifications whenever I upload new videos on this YouTube channel. So till I come with my next video, please stay tuned. Bye.